14 Lincoln MKX. How to remove door panel and latch. Stick a pry bar, pry this up and pop it out. You got a bolt right here. Stick a pry bar, pop this up and pop right out. You got a bolt here on 25 torque. And then one on the bottom here and one on the bottom there, and it should pop right out. Okay, next remove the panel cover. There's 14 number 10 millivolt, and to get to the latch, number 27 torque 3 volts here, and another one right here. Okay, right in here, this number 25 torque bolt. Remove that here. Use number 25 torque socket to remove bolts. To remove this cover, to remove this cover, then this door handle will come right out. At the bottom here, T25 bolt, remove enough to slide the cover off. And here's the latch.